Good morning, everyone. Road safety is a multi sectoral and multi dimensional subject. It includes orderly development and management of roads, provisions of safer vehicles, and a comprehensive response to accidents. It relies on modern traffic management system and practices, improved safety standards in design, construction, operation and maintenance of roads, and production and maintenance of safer vehicles. Owing to unsafe condition on roads, the rates of accident in India has been high. According to WHO statistics for 2002, out of about 11.8 lakh road accident deaths across the world, 84,674 deaths were response from India alone. In the above year 2004, the number of road accident deaths in India increased to 92,618. The social cost of road accidents in India at about 3% of GDP. Considering the gravity of the situation, there is conscious that concentrated measures are necessary for reducing the high level of accidents, deaths, and injuries through improved safety measures and traffic management. Taking this into consideration, CBSE has announced Road Safety Week to be observed throughout the country every year in the month of January in order to highlight and emphasize the need for safe roads. However, this year, instead of Road Safety Week, Road Safety Month will be observed from 18th January 2021 to 17th February 2021 on the theme Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha. It is an opportunity for all the stakeholders to contribute to the cause by taking up activities to promote the concept and be a part of advocacy campaign for road safety. Our school, Srinath Public School, Adityapur, has taken this initiative to organize a Road Safety Week program for the students where different events were conducted on a virtual mode. For class 1, solo song was conducted. For class 2, solo dance. Class 3 and 4, drawing competition respectively. Class 5, poster making competition. Class 6, essay writing competition. Class 7, preparation of road safety comic strip. The students and the parents took the initiative to become a part of this Road Safety Week. And then the teachers of Srinath Public School conducted a webinar on Road Safety Week. Day 1, the webinar was conducted on 13th of February. It started from 10 a.m. to 10:40 a.m. The topics discussed were road safety rules, various signs, and first aid service in case of accidents. The host of the webinar was Mr. Subodh Chandra Mahato, and the introduction of the webinar was done by a respected principal sir, Mr. D.K. Mahato. He highlighted the necessity of the road safety in all of our lives. Then it was followed by the speaker 1, Diksha Kumari Gupta, and then the speaker 2 was Rinki Mahato, who highlighted the topic very nicely to our stakeholders and our loving students. Later on day 2, 17th of February, we have the webinar 2, which started from 10:30 a.m. and concluded at 11:10 a.m. The topic was awareness about road safety to the young generation. The host of the webinar was Mrs. Neetu Kumari, followed by the speaker Mrs. Praveen Rohit Arora. The guest of honor was Rajendra Mahato, Thana in charge Adityapur. He highlighted all the measures to be taken for the road safety. And later on, the vote of thanks was given by Rajni Pathak. The webinar concluded on that day. With this, we come to the end of Road Safety Week. Road safety is very important nowadays, as there has been too much of increase in vehicles on road, and it becomes crucial that we follow the traffic rules and laws and save ourselves and our families from road accident. Alert today, alive tomorrow.